Yeah, this is what we doing.
So my family likes to go walking in the morning, and so we just jump right on in with them. We went to this place called Kimihurura Roundabout Park in Kigali. It's a charming green space located in the bustling Kimihurura roundabout. The park includes a walking track that encircles it. And this is my mom's favorite park, and I was elated to have the opportunity to walk with her this morning. Hey, if you're thinking about taking a visit here, this is an excellent place to go and unwind and just enjoy the scenery.
Morning walks
Are better
in Africa.
in Africa.
After a good walk in the park, now it's time to go get us some coffee from one of the iconic coffee places here in Kigali. You guessed it.
Welcome to Kivu, Noor.
Kivu Noor in Kigali, Rwanda is a vibrant and inviting cafe, celebrated for its exquisite coffee and commitment to local sourcing. Nestled in the heart of the city, the cafe offers a warm ambiance where visitors can enjoy expertly brewed coffee made from high-quality Arabica bean sourced from the Kivu region. If you ever had a dream about drinking coffee in a magical, beautiful place, this is it. The menu features a variety of coffee drinks, including classic espresso, cappuccino, and specialty brews that highlights the unique flavor profile of Rwanda's coffee, characterized by fruity and chocolatey notes with a bright acidity. Kivu Noor also emphasized its role in promoting sustainable agriculture by collaborating directly with local farmers, ensuring fair trade practice and supporting the community. In addition to coffee, Kivu Noor offers a diverse menu featuring a blend of local Rwandan cuisine and international dishes. They also serve light snacks and pastries, creating a perfect environment for both casual meetings and leisurely coffee breaks. Listen, I ordered avocado toast here at this place, okay? It's not like they're going out to get the avocado. It's actually right here on the street. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I won't sugarcoat it. Leaving this place was tough. The hospitality and service were outstanding. The drinks were superb. Fantastic was the food. And the company was just enjoyable. And plus, the atmosphere was just right. However, we had to pay that tab and get on to our next destination. Merry Christmas. Getting ready to go so Michelle can get her hair done.
I put it in the driver's seat for you to get.
Oh, I know, already out of the car. I must have thrown it behind you.
She's so pretty. I'm gonna record her face.
I threw it behind you.
Yeah, so my sister. Oh, I'm sorry, Gwen. I got you blocked in some kind of way. I'm here trying to talk to the people.
She gonna get,
Yeah.
she gonna get mad.
So my sister is taking Michelle to a salon, and on the ground floor there's a cafe called Panera Bakery. We decided to stop there for some sparkling water before heading upstairs. These cafes are quite common in Kigali, and if I had brought my laptop, I would have just liked to sit there and do some editing. The atmosphere was really nice. We picked up our sparkling waters and now on our way to the salon, where Michelle will be meeting her loctician and getting her hair retied.
She's on her way. Okay. This is my sister, Michelle, and this is Joy. Hi, Joy. Nice to meet you.
After exchanging all the usual pleasantries, the ladies dove right into Michelle's retie like it was some kind of competitive sport. And while Shell was busy getting her hair done, we struck up a delightful chat with a local about our adventures in Rwanda. And before I knew it, they had already wrapped up with Michelle's hair. Less than an hour. Take care of my locticians. Wow, these ladies were incredibly quick and clearly knew their stuff. There are just a few of the talented locticians in the city of Kigali. They will probably be Michelle's go-to locticians.
37,000.
Sweet girl. Run into each other again. Because we say Kigali is a village, so
Yes.
It is, yeah.
Yes.
So how you say bye?
How do you say goodbye?
Yeah, hello.
goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.
See you later.
Like
How you
this
say
man.
bye?
Say y'all. Nice meeting you now.
Bye-bye. You get your door open.
What a great experience.
Beat done. What's was supposed to tell?
What do you have?
Angel was supposed to tell the.
Watch your neck, honey.
Okay.
Your neck, honey, your neck. Don't break your neck. I want to get you a neck brace. Well, it was super obvious that Michelle liked the work that they did on her hair. I'm glad she found a loctician in Kigali. So we got into the car and drove to meet my mother, my brother, and his wife. Y'all, so far this trip has been just fantastic. The food, the people, the vibe, it's all been spot on. So the ladies decided to get their nails and feet done alongside with a massage, so that's where we're headed to now. But I couldn't help but notice how clean the city is and the new construction happening. It's evident that this city is growing quickly. Right, so we just finished with the hair. Now we're doing some pedicure, manicure, waxing, facial, makeup, massage, the whole 9 yards. Okay. Glitz Nails and Beauty is a beauty salon situated in Kigali, Rwanda. It provides a variety of services such as nail care, beauty treatment, and different grooming options. The salon is recognized for its skilled staff and inviting ambiance. Even my mother chose to have her nails and feet done there.
Ooh, mother. I'm gonna tickle your feet, Mom. I'm gonna tickle your feet.
Glitz Salons caters to clients looking for beauty and relaxation. If you need specific details about their service, pricing, or hours of operation, I recommend visiting their official website or contacting them directly. So while the ladies get pampered, Hamp and I will go and have us a drink. Yeah. These vibes everywhere, y'all. I'm telling you. Now, it just so happened that Boho Lounge was located just around the corner from the salon. The daytime atmosphere was equally as beautiful and captivating as it was at night, perhaps even more so. So Hamp and I settled in for our cocktail, and we discussed the incredible journey that they've experienced since relocating in Kigali. Our conversation was truly meaningful, and I'm eager to share all the insights that we've gained since we've been here. Hamp and I finished our chat, and then I joined my mother and brother to explore some other places nearby. We went to Jetel Rwanda's luxury perfume. It's a unique fragrant boutique located in Kigali, Rwanda. It specializes in offering a curated selection of high-quality luxury perfume that are designed to cater to diverse clientele. The store showcases both international and local brands, providing customers with a rich experience in scent exploration. So if you're in Kigali and have a passion for perfume, this place might be worth the visit. If you find yourself in Kigali and in the mood for Asian cuisine, Soy Asian Table is definitely worth a visit. While we didn't get the opportunity to eat here, we were captivated by the lively ambiance and contemporary decor. The artwork in the restaurant is truly breathtaking. We hope to dine here before we leave, but even just stopping by to appreciate the art makes it worthwhile.
Oh, that's perfect.
Here we go. Are we ready? All right, everyone got their nails, toes, and hair on point. Now it's time to dive back into these lively streets of Kigali. But before we call it a night and head home, my family suggests we grab some dinner. So we made our way to a spot called Khan Kazana. Khan Kazana is a popular restaurant located in Rwanda, known for its vibrant atmosphere and diverse menu. It typically offers a range of Indian and Pakistani cuisine, including flavorful curries and grilled meats. The restaurant often emphasizes fresh ingredients and authentic flavors, making it a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. It's a fantastic spot to enjoy a meal with friends or family. So if you're craving Indian cuisine while in Africa, Khan Khazana is the place to be. We are back at home. Today has been incredible. So we come home, and this is in the refrigerator.
No, she made you one because I don't like tree tomato. So she got you.
That's what we came home to. Y'all not like them.
Yeah,
Y'all not like them.
yeah.
Y'all, hey, show them these bananas. These bananas y'all eating way too big. The bananas y'all eating ain't right. They big as a foot. They're supposed to be big as a thumb.
That is so good. Taste it, Michelle.
Big as a foot when they should be only as big as a thumb.
The fruit drink was a bit too sweet for Michelle, but as you can tell, it was just right for me. While we wrapped up our nightcap drinks, we shared some laughs and reminisced about the day. Can't wait for day 3 tomorrow.